Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and today in the session we will understand the job responsibility of the warehousing and distribution manager in the logistic and supply chain. So this job profile is for the company name is Heritage India. This is the book publishing company. Okay, so this company is leading US general interest book publisher made up of dozen of esteemed imprint with the publishing group. Okay, and headquarters is in the New York and offices in the Boston. Okay, so this is a company profile, and companies is saying that we are committing to diversity in our company and our publishing program to fostering a culture and inclusion for our all employer and author. We are proud to be part of the world third largest trade and educational publisher. So you can understand this is the world third largest trading and educational publisher. Okay, so for this job profile, you have to report to head of the sales and operations. Okay, and experience required for this process is 3 year to 8 year. Okay, in warehouse logistic and handling of import export. Location is Gurgaon, sector 43. Okay, so now we will discuss about the working. Okay, so the company providing the complete MNC environment where you will work only 5 days in a week. Now, role and responsibility: oversee and coordinations and manage the overall warehouse operations, third party and other. Okay, so here you have to looking after the and looking after and coordination of and managing the all activities which belong to warehouse operations. So you know that in warehouse process, inward and outward deliveries process. So you have to knowledge about the of handling the inventory and all the things. So this warehouse may be the third party logistic and other. Okay, in this process including import and export activities. Okay, so you know that's before the bringing the goods in warehouses, you need to import these goods from other country. Okay, and some things, some goods you need to export also. Okay, so this activity include with the import export activity. Okay, then ensure compliance with import export regulation. Okay, so you have to ensure the compliance. Okay, so compliance means that as per foreign trade policy, what is the compliance given by the government? You have to check out the compliance before importing and exporting, including obtaining necessary permissions. If any necessary permissions required for any country specific, then you have to take. Okay, then license and documentations, custom clearance. Also, you have to check out if any license required. If you are want to importing the raw material, then you can use the advanced license. If you are importing the machineries, then you can use EPCG. So these things need to be analysis before importing the shipment. Okay, then you need to obtain the license. Okay, now manage stock and inventory levels, ensuring accurate stock counts through regular cycle of stakeholder and reconciliation with emphasis the safekeeping and system process flow. Okay, so you need to understand that this process is in warehouse process. You need to manage inventory levels. Okay, inventory levels means that when when you make a outbound delivery means that some good need to deliver to the customer, then inventory need to replenishment. Okay, replenishment means that refill the inventory. Okay, so you need to manage the stock of inventory because that anytime you can receive any orders. So order cannot be incomplete. You need to complete the order. Once receive the order, you need to arrange the product and dispatched. Okay, so here you need to manage inventory. This is the part of warehousing. Okay, and ensuring accurate stock counts through regular cycle stack tags. Okay, and the history of regular cycle of stack tags, you need to count regular and accurate inventory level. Okay, and also reconciliations. As per delivery order complete, you need to reconciliation the orders with emphasis on the safekeeping and system process flow. So need to follow the safekeeping means that the process flow is already given by the organization, need to follow and update. Okay, so as per that uh, process, we need to do activities. Okay, now optimize logistic performance metrics. Okay, so you need to optimize. Optimize means that giving the best services in the lowest pricing. Okay, lowest cost. You need to give the best performance. Okay, so optimize logistic performance by checking out whether the trucks and vehicles are working in timely or not. Okay, you also need to check out date and lead times. Lead times means the customer giving any date or lead time to deliver the goods. So we need to complete this date and lead time. Okay, and transportation cost also need to understand an analysis where is transportation charge is a higher low. You need to analysis with the different transportation companies. Okay, by taking the quotations. Now identify opportunity for the cost saving. You need to check out where if any opportunity available for the cost saving, how you can save the cost for the company. Need to improve the process. Okay, yeah, here you can save the cost and process need to be improvements in every step. Okay, which you need to check out whether there's some unwanted practices are doing, which is just taking time. Then you need to improve that process. Okay, and operational efficiency within the warehouse logistic function with accurate and quick retrieval documents. Okay, so you need to check out whether operational efficiency within the warehouse. Okay, operational efficiency is the giving the more and more output to completing the objective, where you need to check out the customer delivery orders. Okay, then logistic function with accurate quick retrieval documents. So all the logistic function need to be record and keeping record of that can anytime can be retrievable. This document can be checked out after using that process or using that um, process. Okay, so in this session we have tried to understand there are some activities which belong to the job position of the warehousing and distribution manager. Okay, so warehousing means managing the warehouse activities. Distribution manager means that the from warehouse to customer, distribution to arranging the transportations and all the thing in time, in to keeping in mind that date and lead times. Okay, so guys, this is the working procedures and role and responsibilities for the position of the warehousing and distribution manager for the logistic and supply chain manager. So if, guys, the second part we will complete in the next session. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.